If you've ever seen that symbol on your dashboard before, what that's going to mean is one of your tires is low on air pressure. So there's a couple different things that can cause that. One being if it's coming into the fall or winter, as the air is getting cold, the air inside of your tire will actually compress even more, and that will make the car think that your tire is low on air pressure. So that's a super easy fix. You'll just fill it up a little bit and you'll be good to go. Now, the next biggest reason that your TPMS light will come on your dashboard is if one of your tires has a leak. There's a couple different ways that your tire can leak. One, you can have a nail, a screw, or some other metal object stuck in your tire that punctures through the rubber and the steel cords and allows air to leak out. Another way is that around where the tire sits on the metal rim, that's called the bead, and sometimes you can build corrosion up on the bead, and then air will leak out of that spot too. And finally, on your metal or rubber valve stem, which is the thing that you actually connect the air hose to put air in your tire. You can actually leak out of a couple different spots on that. So if the TPMS light does show up on your dashboard, the first step is going to be checking the air pressure in all of your tires and seeing which one is low, or if all of them are low, that usually indicates, like I said, the cold, and then all of your tires will be low. But checking all of your tires to see which one's low, and then filling it up and seeing if it goes low again. If one of them does go low, then that probably means that you have some sort of leak in it, and you should bring it to a tire shop or a gas station where they'll check it out and they will patch the leak for you. So there's a couple different ways that the TPMS light can show up on your dashboard. On my car, it actually demonstrated two ways that it could show up. One is the horseshoe with the exclamation point. That is the most common, and that is the most universal that you'll see in most cars. Another way is if you have a little LED panel on your dashboard, it might show up with words saying low tire pressure or something like that. Some cars also will have a light on the dash that actually says TPMS. And I've said that a couple times in this video, but what TPMS actually stands for is Tire Pressure Monitoring System. So brand new cars will all have monitors in their tires, and those monitors actually measure the air pressure in your tire and send that information to your car. So when your tire goes low, it shows up on your dash. Now, there is actually another way that your TPMS light will come on. So what I've been talking about so far is when your TPMS light comes on and it stays on solid. If your TPMS light comes on and it's flashing, then that actually means that your monitor in one of your tires is bad. So like I just said, each of your tires will have a monitor in it behind the rubber valve stem or metal valve stem. That monitor will send the information about your tire pressure to the car. Now, if your monitor goes bad, or if it breaks or something goes wrong with it, then it will stop sending that information to the car, and the car will trigger that TPMS light and it will flash to let you know that your monitor's bad. So if you have a flashing TPMS light on your dashboard, that's going to mean that one of your monitors is bad. And like I said before, you should go to a tire shop and they will be able to replace that monitor for you so that you have an accurate reading and accurate information about the current state of your tires. So that's basically all you need to know about your tire pressure monitoring system on your car. I tried to cover everything that I could in this video, but I might have forgotten some stuff. If you have any questions about anything at all in regards to this topic, make sure to leave them down in the comments and I will make sure to answer them to the best of my ability. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and definitely subscribe. Also, check out all of our social medias. We have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. All the links to those will be down in the description. And like I said, go check those out because we make a lot of good content on those platforms as well. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.